Do you feel like your wardrobe is boring? Are you stuck in a fashion rut? Well, let's take a fresh look at your closet. It might surprise you to discover that it is nothing less than a treasure trove waiting to be explored. The first stop on this exploration journey is the hanger trick. It's simple. Just flip the hangers of the clothes you've worn. This way, you can easily identify the items you haven't worn in a while, and it might just inspire some new pairings. Now let's dive into the world of textures. Ever tried pairing a cozy knit with a sleek leather piece? Or how about combining a plush velvet item with a crisp cotton one? Mixing textures is a fantastic way to add depth and interest to your outfits. It's all about balance and contrast. Next, let's step back in time and embrace vintage. There's something undeniably unique and charming about vintage pieces. You can find them on Etsy or other online platforms. They bring a touch of nostalgia and character to your style that's hard to replicate with modern pieces. Speaking of stepping back, have you considered a wardrobe cleanse? Donating unused clothes not only makes space for fresh ideas, but also helps those in need. It's a win-win situation. Finally, let's talk about drawing inspiration. Nostalgic fashion accounts on Instagram are a goldmine of ideas. They offer a refreshing blast from the past, reminding us of timeless trends and inspiring us to recreate them with a modern twist. So, there you have it. A fresh look at your closet doesn't have to be daunting. In fact, it can be quite exciting. Remember, your closet is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. So let's set sail on this fashion adventure and turn your wardrobe into a masterpiece. Accessories can make or break an outfit. This statement holds true in the realm of fashion, where a simple addition of a necklace, a pair of earrings, or a hat can revolutionize your entire look. Let's dive into the world of accessories and explore how they can transform your wardrobe. Layering accessories is an art form of its own. It's not just about putting together pieces, it's about creating a story that reflects your personality. Start with a simple base, perhaps a pair of gold hoops or a delicate chain necklace. Then begin to add layers, interweaving bold and subtle elements. Mix metals, combine lengths, and play with styles. Remember, there's no such thing as too much when it comes to accessories. Taking this a step further, we can flirt with the unconventional. Break the traditional fashion rules and experiment with unique layering techniques. Ever thought about wearing a dress over pants? It might sound strange, but with the right accessories, it can look absolutely chic. A belt cinching the waist can create a flattering silhouette, while a statement necklace can draw attention to the neckline of the dress. Now let's get a little playful and try something called eyes closed styling. This is a fun way to challenge your creativity and push the boundaries of your personal style. Close your eyes, reach into your accessory collection, and pick something at random. It can be anything from a pair of statement earrings to a vibrant scarf. Now build your entire outfit around this one accessory. It may lead to unexpected combinations and help you discover new ways to wear your old favorites. Accessories have the power to breathe new life into your wardrobe. They can add a touch of glamour to a casual outfit or bring a sense of fun to a formal ensemble. With accessories, you can transform any outfit from drab to fab. So, go ahead, explore your creativity and let your accessories speak your style. Bored with your regular clothes? Why not get a little creative? Let's start with a simple pair of jeans. With a little DIY distressing, you can transform them into a statement piece. Grab a pair of scissors and a cheese grater. Yes, a cheese grater. Cut a few slits across the knees or wherever you want some wear and tear. Then, rub the cheese grater over the slits for that authentic, distressed look. Remember, less is more, so go easy on the cuts. Next, let's talk about the power of dressing for success. No, we're not just talking about job interviews. Dressing up can boost your mood and confidence. So, step out of those sweatpants and into a fancy dress or a sharp suit. You'll be surprised at how good it feels to look your best, even if you're just at home. Now, let's move on to monochrome magic. Choosing a single color and wearing it head to toe can create a chic and slimming look. It's an easy way to look put together without much effort. Try a monochrome look in shades of blue, green, or even pink. The possibilities are endless. Ever thought about borrowing from the boys? Oversized blazers, button-down shirts, and baggy jeans can add an unexpected twist to your outfit. This trend is all about playing with proportions and breaking gender norms. So, step into your boyfriend's, brother's, or even dad's closet and see what you can find. Finally, let's discuss the power of a statement belt. It's a small accessory, but it can have a big impact. Cinch your waist with a statement belt to add shape and polish to any outfit. It's a quick and easy way to elevate a simple dress, a long shirt, or even an oversized blazer. When you get creative, your wardrobe becomes a playground. So go ahead, experiment, and have fun with your clothes. After all, fashion is all about expressing your unique style and personality. Dare to be different with layering and mixing prints. It's not as daunting as it sounds, and it's a fantastic way to breathe new life into your wardrobe. Let's start with layering. It's not just for the cold months. With the right pieces, you can create unexpected layering combinations all year round. Consider a light flowy dress over a turtleneck for spring, or a camisole over a crisp white shirt for a twist on office wear. The key is to play with textures, colors, and silhouettes. Now, onto mixing prints. This may seem like a fashion faux pas, but when done right, print clashing can be a game changer. The trick is to find a common color between the two prints. If you're feeling brave, mix stripes with florals or polka dots with animal prints. It's all about balance and having fun. Scarves, they are not only for keeping warm in winter. They can add a pop of color or a touch of elegance to any outfit. Use them as headbands, wristbands, or even bag ties. They can also be a great way to introduce prints into your outfit if you're new to print clashing. Playing with proportions is another way to revamp your look. Balance is key here. Pair oversized tops with slim bottoms or vice versa. This can help to highlight your favorite features and create interesting silhouettes. Last but not least, embrace athleisure. This trend is all about comfort meets style. Pair sneakers with dresses or hoodies with skirts for a comfy chic look. It's a fun way to mix casual and formal pieces, and it's perfect for those days when you want to look stylish but don't want to compromise on comfort. So, there you have it. Layering and mixing prints can be a bit of a fashion adventure. It's all about experimenting and finding what works for you. Remember, fashion is a form of self-expression and there are no set rules. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and experiment. We have explored so many ways to revamp your boring clothes. We've journeyed through the depths of our closets, flipped the hangers of worn clothes, and discovered new pairings. We've played with textures, combining cozy knits with sleek leather or plush velvet to add depth. We've embraced vintage, sought out unique pieces online, and cleansed our wardrobes of unused clothes to make room for fresh ideas. We've drawn inspiration from nostalgic fashion accounts on Instagram, reminding us that fashion is cyclical, and what's old can always become new again. And accessorizing? We've layered on forgotten earrings, necklaces, and rings, breaking conventional rules and experimenting with unconventional layering. Do you remember how daring it felt to put a dress over pants? We've been creative and playful, styling with our eyes closed, choosing a random item, and creating an outfit around it. We've distressed, cut, and frayed plain jeans, making them uniquely ours. We've dressed for success, discovered the magic of monochrome, borrowed from the boys, and cinched our waists with statement belts to add polish. We've layered unexpected combinations, clashed prints, and used scarves for all seasons. We've balanced oversized tops with slim bottoms and vice versa. And let's not forget our embrace of athleisure, rocking sneakers with dresses, and hoodies with skirts for a comfy chic look. It's been a whirlwind of a journey, hasn't it? But remember, these are just ideas, starting points on the canvas of your personal style. You're the artist, and your wardrobe is your palette. Mix, match, clash, blend. There's no right or wrong, only what makes you feel like the best version of you. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself. So have fun, experiment, and turn your wardrobe into a masterpiece. We can't wait to see what you come up with. All right, fashion explorers, now that we've unlocked all these style secrets, it's your turn to step into the spotlight. Remember, the most important ingredient in any outfit is confidence. Don't be afraid to experiment and push your boundaries. If you're still unsure, start small. Maybe pair a funky necklace with your everyday outfit, or swap your usual sneakers for some vibrant flats. You'll be surprised at how these little changes can refresh your look. And don't forget, fashion isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good. So wear what makes you happy, comfortable, and confident. The world is your runway, and it's time to strut your stuff. As you embark on this fashion journey, remember, it's not about being perfect, but about expressing your unique, beautiful self. So go ahead, open your closet, and let the fashion magic begin. And yes, we can't wait to see your fashion transformations. Share your new looks with us on our social media platforms. Who knows, your look might just inspire someone else on their fashion journey. Let's continue this fashion conversation. And remember, you're not just dressing up, you're dressing to express. Celestial greetings, fashionistas. You've journeyed with us through the vibrant realms of style and elegance. If the expedition thrilled you, express your delight by bestowing a thumbs up on this video. Your feedback is our guiding star. Craving more? Yearn no more. Pledge your allegiance to the fashionista family by pressing the subscribe button. A universe of sartorial splendor awaits you, from decoding ensembles to predicting style trends, and a galaxy beyond. The key to this treasure? The notification bell. Strike it and ensure you're the first to explore our fresh uploads. Until our paths cross again in this cosmos of fashion, continue to weave your style story. Remember, your style, your constellation,